Hello guys, let's move on to the last part. This one is called quadratic formula. This one is almighty formula. It dey work for any quadratic equation wey you wan use before. It dey work. So na almighty formula we dey call am. So wetin be that formula? The formula na S equals to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over wetin? Over 2A. So na it be that quadratic formula or almighty formula. So now it be that S equals to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. So when you use am, you go see say this thing dey work like magic. Make I give you one question. 2S square minus 3S. 2S square minus 3S abi minus 2 equals to 0. They say make you solve am. When we use this almighty formula. So how you go take do am? This one go turn your what? Your A go come be what? This one go turn A 2. This one go turn B. B go be what? Minus 3. Abi? This one go turn C. C go be wetin? Minus 2. Abi? So you don't get your A, you don't get your B, you don't get your C. You understand? So you can slot all these things into the equation wey dey here. You get? And so it be. E no hard. Just slot am, put am inside. So you come talk wetin? S equals to minus wetin be your B? B na 3 abi? Minus 3 abi? B na minus 3. Put your minus 3 inside bracket. Abi? Plus or minus. Come write your plus or minus. Come write your square root. Your B square. Wetin be your B? Na minus 3. Abi? Come put am inside bracket. Square am. Abi na square dey talk abi? So come write your minus 4. Abi? Open bracket. Put am inside bracket. Open your bracket. 4 times. Wetin be your A? Your A na 2. Abi? Times. Wetin be your C? Your C na minus 2. Conclude the bracket. Abi? I go lie for you. You know what now? So over wetin? Over 2 times. Wetin be your A? Your A na 2. Abi? So you see say you don't slot am inside the formula. You see wetin happen? This thing no too hard. You know hard. No be say I dey do magic. As you see am now, no say your house don dey do this. Just dey follow me. You go see wetin you go do now. So S come be minus times minus na plus. Abi? So 1 times 3 na 3. Abi? Plus or minus. Come write your square root. Minus 3 square, wetin go give you? Minus times minus na minus. 3 times 3 na 9. Abi? Minus times minus na wetin? Na plus o, no be minus o. Na plus. So minus 3 square go give you wetin? Minus 3 times minus 3 go give you wetin? 9. Minus 4 times 2, 8. 8 times minus 2 na wetin? Na minus 16. Abi? At your point. So over wetin? 2 times 2, 4. You understand? Oh yeah, now answer me now. You understand what I dey talk? That's what you be now. You know what? I don't tell you say the thing no hard. So we'll continue. So what thing you go do? Come write your 3. Come write your plus or minus. Write your square root. Abi? Write your 9. Minus times minus. Wetin be? Go turn wetin? Plus. Come write your 16 now. Yeah, over wetin? Over 4. Abeg I lie. No lie now. So wetin be the next thing? Oh, move on. So you go come turn wetin? S 3 plus or minus square root abi? 9 plus 16 go give you wetin? 9 plus 16 go give you 25 now. Over 4. I go lie for you. E hard. E no hard. So S go come turn 3 abi? I go lie for you. Plus or minus. Wetin be square root of 5? Of 25. 5. Abi? So over wetin? 4. Do you understand? You understand what I dey talk? You see say no hard. E no hard. E no hard. So now wetin we come do? We come expand this one. So this is now the same thing as S equals to 3 plus 5 over 4 or S equals to 3 minus 5 over 4. You understand? So S will turn to 3 plus 5 now wetin? Na 8 divided by 4 or S 3 minus 5 now wetin? Na minus 2 divided by 4. If you owe person 5 naira, you get 3 naira. No be, you see the old debt now. You go now to go pay your debt now. See the owe minus 2. So 4 cross here 1, 4 here 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. S equals to 2 or S equals to 2 or S equals to minus 1 over 2. So now your answer be that. You understand? If you write up say your S equals to, if you write and say your S equals to 2 or minus half, your answer be that. So thank you.